Unlock personal success with the Mind Code. Welcome to the Mind Code, the best choice for maths and science education in Ghaziabad. Meet Mr. Pankaj Malik, a renowned mathematician and our dedicated founder. With over 20 years of experience, he inspires millions in their academic journeys. Proud of our 5-star Google rating, reflecting our commitment to quality education. We offer admissions for 9th and 10th grades, specializing in math and science. The Mind Code provides extensive support for CBSE curriculum and NEP 2020 policies. We respect qualifications from CBSE, IS, and state boards equally. Regular tests enhance learning and academic skills among students. Our qualified tutors ensure better results in board exams with personalized attention. Our counselors provide comprehensive support in exploring educational opportunities. Choosing a university is crucial. We guide you through the decision-making process. We help develop essential skills needed for future success beyond just academics. Parents trust us for our commitment to quality education and timely completion. Join the Mind Code community and celebrate every milestone together. Explore diverse programs designed to meet every individual student's needs. We promote active participation, allowing students to express their thoughts freely. Time management is key for success. We guide students in balancing their studies. Our educators design effective courses catering to the unique needs of our students. Hear from our students. Their success stories inspire new learners to join us. At the Mind Code, your future starts today. Let's embark on this journey together. We are located at the heart of Rajnagar Extension near VIP Mall, Ghaziabad. If you want to know more about our services, call us at 966-710-8194. We are happy to serve you best education.